Hello friend, how are you? Everybody, welcome to my new update video of S-Class Pathshala. Here, given that x to the power 4 minus x square plus 1 equal to 0, then x to the power 5 plus 1 by x to the power 5 equal to what? Let's go start. Here, given that x to the power 5 is equal to x to the power 3 into x square is equal to x to the power 3 plus 2. So, we find out the value of x square plus 1 by x square and x cube plus 1 by x square x cube. Then multiplying these two equation, we can get from the answer. Let's start here. Solution. Here given that x to the power 4 x square plus 1 equal to 0. Here x to the power 4, and now we transfer x square left side to right side. X to the power 4 is equal to x square. Dividing by x square the both side, we can write here x square is equal to x square by x square, cancelling x square by x square, and we can write x square by x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 1. Now we can write x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 1. Equation number 1. Then we can write from this x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2 into x into 1 by x is equal to 1. X cancel. Then we can write x plus 1 by x whole square is equal to 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So x plus 1 by x is equal to root 3. We get by square root of the both sides. Now we can keep the both side x plus 1 by x all keep root 3 all keep. We can write x cube plus 1 by x cube plus 3 x into 1 by x plus 1 by x equal to square into root 3. Here we have used a formula a plus b all cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab plus b. Okay, x cancelled, so we can write x cube plus 1 by x cube plus 3 x plus 1 by x is equal to root 3 is equal to root 3. Now, so we write here 3 root 3 square and root cancel, so we can write here 3 root 3. Okay, here we transfer root 3 into root 3 from left side to right side. X cube plus 1 by x cube equal to 3 root 3 minus 3 root 3 cancel, so x cube plus 1 by x cube is equal to 0. Equation number 2. Now we multiply by 1, equation 1 by 2, so we can write here x square plus 1 by x square into x cube plus 1 by x cube is equal to 0 into 1. Okay. Now we can write x to the power x square and x cube multiplying by, we can write x to the power 5 plus x square into 1 by x cube plus x cube into 1 by x square plus 1 by x5 is equal to 0. We can write here, x to the power 5 plus 1 by x to the power 5 plus x plus 1 by x is equal to 1 by x is equal to 0. X to the power 5 plus 1 by x to the power 5, x to the power 5 plus 1 by x to the power 5 plus here x plus 1 by x is equal to 3. So x plus 1 by x is equal to root 3. Here given that is equal to root 3. Here x plus 1 by x is equal to root 3. Now we can write, is equal to root 3 is equal to 0, or x to the power 5 plus 1 by x to the power 5 is equal to minus root 3. It is our answer. So everybody like, comment and share, and get new updated video. Please subscribe my channel. Okay.